Hello, this is Mike Dyson with Marine Max Sail and Ski in San Antonio, Texas. Come along with me as we take a look at this 2020 Sea Ray SDX 270. This boat with option with the beautiful metallic gunmetal accent on the hull sides there with the black hull. We've got the black water sports tower, sports arch. This has the optional windlass up front also. Boat's known for exceptional smooth ride with a deep V hull. Roomy layout inside that we'll take a look at in a minute. Small enough to do all of your water sports and have a lot of fun activities on the water, but still be able to bring a crowd along. The rear of the boat's probably the star of the boat with the submersible swim platform that flips out, as well as the rear loungers. You've got an easy transition in the boat from the water with the reboarding ladder. Nice SeaDek covering the swim platform, very comfortable. Bravo 3 power, so plenty of handling and performance. Underwater lights, of course. Nighttime or evening really puts a nice glow behind the boat. Boat this size really benefits from having trim tabs. As people shift around in the boat, you can get the boat the attitude how you like it. A lot of control. Stereo control back here, so when you're lounging around, you got easy access. Nice little drain locker there, so you can keep some cold drinks handy. Excellent design, really functional. Great place to spend the afternoon on the water. All right, we're on board the SDX 270. This is that rear lounge that's so popular. This is your fold-out swim step here that, when not in use, fills in nicely so you still have a solid swim platform all the way across here, no trip hazards. Cup holders at the right placement there. Even a place to charge a phone. More likely going to be using it to plug in to inflate your toys that you'll tow behind the boat. Walk-through transom with the block-off door there makes it convenient to get in and out. Rear stereo control, rear shower, easy access to your gas fill. Look at the amount of interior room this boat has, guys. This is something that, again, you can just bring the entire crowd. Everybody's gonna have a comfortable place to sit. Sea Ray does a beautiful job with their upholstery, and it feels better than it looks. As good as it looks, it feels even better when you're sitting in it. Tons of seating. All these seats lift up for storage. Beautiful job on the dash of this boat with a 12-inch Simrad. That's going to give you all your engine vitals. Of course, chart plotter, sonar functions, digital throttle and shift. Super easy to drive. Just a really seamless design. This is something we get a lot of compliments on, how nice the Sea Ray dash is. Full-size head compartment. Easy access through the door here. Opening port light, sink to wash up, storage. All first class as you would expect from Sea Ray. Great catch-all for cell phones and wallets and things here. Passenger seat features a flip-up bolster, just like the driver's seat does. These seats can actually convert from a forward-facing to a rear-facing quite easily. Simply locking it that way. You got a nice long lounge to relax. Look out the back of the boat, watch the kids having fun. Watch the day go by. Can't help but notice how soft and plush this flooring is that Sea Ray's chosen to go with. This is the snap-in SeaDek. It really just feels great on your feet. I'm barefoot right now. Easy to maintain, has a stunning look to it. Really great stuff. Another in the floor locker here. Easy fold armrest. I mean, look at the lounge, guys. This is something that you're just going to be coddled. This boat's so comfortable. Forward table, so if you want to set this up as kind of a dining area, kind of a neat place for people to hang out, conversation area. Easy access to our windlass controls there, and a road and everything. Freshwater shower there, so if you do beach the boat, want to rinse your feet off before you track dirt and sand in, you got that. Just a winner. This boat is an all-star. Tower speakers optional. We've selected on this boat, so we've got a premium sound system with tower speakers, making the most of the day on the water. If you have any questions about this Sea Ray or any of the other Sea Rays we offer, happy to help. My name is Mike Dyson. My cell phone is 210-347-5768. We'll see you on the water. Thanks again for stopping by to take a look at some of the key features and options on this particular boat. We're happy to help you with any boat we have in our inventory from our Austin, Lakeway, or San Antonio location. feel free to contact me direct at area code 210-347-5768. We'll see you on the water.